Kaching Pluh jong yeng shong trekam jong kinoya saj an kabla yeng nadu snem khat khandai spa khat lai kabadon nong ba Shillong hakashari kabatip kum ka Shillong Bar Association kala pelong yu menteri rang ba ka jela kondat sangma ringkat usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela ba snyo balang dar hakajing don ringkat chief secretary ka jela ba DP balang ki he officer kenthop ika DC ka East Castles ka kong Rosetta Mary Kurba banjurep yakate ka yeng trekam jong Shillong Bar Association kala cha bamdu akading hagajan miet jongkar psau trek rumpang arajar psau bat kalong shisha ka jingdu nong ka bakraw namar ba kila don bon ki jingdu nong khamtama ka baide bat ki kot kisla hakapor bo poi umentri rangba lala banyo sngow ye ka bawla kali ye ka disi palala ne ban plip ikading bat ka baga disi kala jubab palala ban plip ika hakaju ka por lala banyo ibo mentri rangba ulai kran ru berkinong trei jong ka tran Meghalaya Fires and Services, but nakajing itu menteri rangba kanekala jia nakadaw jong kajing don jing Thud haka Bording.
Now things are under control.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No problem, right?
There is no problem. So fire is out. The only problem is we are waiting that it might sink. Because after a fire, generally a building tries to sink it. So we will prevent the public from entering or anything. We will follow this area. The patient knows.
From one section, there were all the wires here.
Oh, PHQ is here.
Former FSL,
Oh my God. PHQ is right here.
Oh, sir, but it's like
The unfortunate incident has happened today, and we are right here in the incident, the spot, and we are yet to determine the exact reason, but it seems that it's the electrical conditions that led to the fire out here in the judiciary area. Mostly the Bar Association is here, and it's very unfortunate. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs, Chief Secretary, and the officials from the police department and the administration, we are all here. And of course, it's a very unfortunate incident, but we are very relieved that there's no loss of life, and no casualty was there. But of course, the fact that the infrastructure is damaged and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously a concern. But we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage. And even now in the site, we are all here and we are monitoring the situation, and we want to make sure that no further damage is done. So I'm thankful to the fire department that is here to handle the situation, and of course we are happy that and monitor the whole situation and see that no further damage is done.